Hello students, today we are going to learn a very interesting chapter and it has got a lot of geography and facts that will make you proud to be an Indian. So let's start. It's called Chilika, a paradise for words. The Chilika Lake lies on the eastern coast of Odisha. Now, Odisha is an Indian state and Chilika Lake lies right there. So, as you can see, just a moment. So, as you can see, this is Odisha and Chilika Lake lies right here. So, the lake is the largest coastal lagoon in India and the largest brackish water lagoon in the world. Now this lake is very prominent and it is largest water coastal lagoon in India. There is no other lake which is greater than this one and largest brackish water lagoon. This means that this has salt, fresh water and many other contents which make it brackish water lagoon in the world. After the New Caledonian Barrier Reef. So the Chilika Lake is surrounded by the hills of the Eastern Ghats. Right. So now since Chilika Lake is in the eastern part of India, it is surrounded by the hills in the Eastern Ghats. The sun shines down on the white sand and the blue waters. So the sun shines very brightly here on the white sand and the blue waters. So the lake is an ecosystem with a large variety of plants and animals. So this particular lake is an ecosystem in itself with so many plants and animals in it. It is a wonderland for tourists and you won't believe that it is a wonderland for tourists. Tourists love to visit this lake. The lake is so calm and soothing that anyone can spend hours here in boats. So people come here and they stay in boats for hours and hours altogether. Why? Because it is very calm and soothing. The most striking feature of Chilika Lake is that it is a paradise for birds. Now, the most striking, the most interesting feature of this lake is that it is a heaven for birds. What is a paradise? I must say, what is a paradise? Paradise is heaven for birds. Every year, the birds come from faraway areas like Siberia. Now, you won't believe that many birds from around the world, including Siberia, migrate and come to Chilika Lake. So, they come to this warm and sunny land to escape from the very cold winters of their homes in Central Asia. Now, they fly all the way to come to Chilika Lake. Why? Because it is warm. They fly thousands of miles over mountains, deserts and rivers. These birds fly and fly. They fly over mountains, deserts and rivers to reach Chilika Lake. Their journey ends when they reach the calm waters of the Chilika Lake. So they migrate in a way that they reach their final destination, Chilika Lake. For a few weeks every year, Chilika is home to thousands of birds. Now, for a few weeks, there is a specific time wherein these birds come and they stay here. And it is very special for this lake then. There are hundreds of teals, pelicans, geese, cranes, herons and flamingos. Big kingfishers swoop down, pluck a fish from the water and fly away in a flash. So now at this point of time, so many fishes are there, birds are there. Birds from all around the world, especially Central Asia, come to Chilika Lake and they dive right in the water and pick up fish for them and they go in a flash. So great flock of birds fly about. many group. Flock is a group of birds. They come together and they fly. The sky is bright with color and birds call fill the air. So again the color of the sky is full of lights and it's very bright, and the birds, they just fill the air with their sounds. The Chilika Lake is the largest wetland in Asia. So you must be underlining these sections. It is the largest wetland in Asia, and also it was largest coastal lagoon in India and largest brackish water lagoon in the world. Right? So it stretches across many kilometers. Many wildlife experts come here every year from over the world. Now there are many wildlife experts who come here, come to which place? They come to Chilika Lake from all over the world. They come to study many different types of migratory birds which come here. Now, why do they come to this lake? They come to understand the pattern of these migratory birds. So, at Chilika, one can find several endangered species as well. Now, there are birds which are present, but they are very few in number. So, they can also be seen in Chilika Lake. So, here there are 22 kinds of ducks and geese, 52 kinds of plovers and sandpipers, 14 kinds of gulls, 13 kinds of eagles, and 11 kinds of herons and egrets. So this is the vast variety of birds which is present here. So, there is no questioning in the fact that Chilika Lake is a paradise for birds. Moving on, let's see that there are many varieties of fishes in the lake, like mackerel, crabs, and prawns. There are almost 225 kinds of fish. The fish provide food for the birds that come to Chilika. Now, not only birds, but it also has 225 types of kinds of or species of fishes. Now, that's quite a number. They also provide jobs for thousands of fishermen. Now, these fishes give employment to thousands of fishermen as well. Almost 150,000 fishermen live on the banks of Chilika. They live right next to Chilika. One can see hundreds of boats on the water as the fishermen go out to fish. Now, all these fishermen go in hunt of these fishes and get a good price for them as well. On Satapada Island in Chilika, one can find the rare Irrawaddy dolphin. This dolphin is an endangered animal. Now there is this island, you can underline, it is Satapada Island. Over here, the very rare Irrawaddy dolphins are present, and these dolphins, you won't believe, are an endangered animal. But here in Chilika, these dolphins are all safe. The local fishermen believe that the creature is sacred and will not harm it. So dolphins are harmless and they never hurt any of these fishermen. Chilika is famous not just for its birds and fish. Among many hills surrounding the lake, one can see chetal, black buck, mongoose, monkeys and porcupines. Chilika is a paradise for wildlife of all kinds. So this lake is not only prominent or famous or known for birds or fishes, but also for the entire wildlife. Why? Because animals like chetal, black buck, mongoose, monkeys and porcupines are also present here. Now these are the words that we came across while reading the chapter. Now, are you ready to practice a few questions with me? Yes. So let's go. First up, we have the conceptual assessment. Take the correct answer. The Chilika Lake is located in dash. Punjab, Bihar, Assam और Odisha. कहाँ पर है present ये? It is present in Odisha. Yes. Now next up we see that the Chilika Lake is home to thousands of dash lions, bears, birds, reptiles. What is the correct answer? Can you tell me? Yes, it is birds. So which one is an endangered animal? Crab, prawn, parrot or dolphin? It is the dolphin. Which island is situated in the Chilika Lake? Andaman, Minicoy, Satapada or Nicobar? It is Satapada. So which creature is sacred to the local fishermen of the Chilika Lake? It is crab, prawn, mackerel or dolphin. It is dolphin. So we have to say or answer yes or no. The Chilika Lake is a wonderland for tourists. Yes, it is true. The Chilika Lake is a freshwater lake. No, this is not true. The Chilika Lake is surrounded by the hills of the Western Ghats. No, it is surrounded by the Eastern Ghats. The dolphins are not safe in the Chilika Lake. No, they are safe in the Chilika Lake. The Chilika Lake is a paradise for wildlife of all kinds. Yes, this is true. Now you are going to write the answers of these descriptive questions by yourself in the book. Let's move ahead and see these grammar related exercises. Now look at this sentence. The Chilika Lake is the largest coastal lagoon in India. Now, here the word largest is the superlative degree of the adjective large. Now, the word large is an adjective. Adjective होते हैं हमारे विशेषण जो describing words होते हैं जो कोई विशेषता बताते हैं जैसे कि चिलिका लेक largest है सबसे बड़ी है इंडिया में when it comes to coastal lagoons. So, the 3 degrees of adjectives are positive, comparative and superlative. 3 degrees होते हैं students adjectives में positive, comparative और superlative. Large यानी कि positive degree, larger यानी कि comparative degree और largest होता है हमारा superlative degree. ये हुआ एक example. Large, larger, largest. Now let's move ahead. So complete the sentences with the superlative degree of the adjectives given in the brackets. So the ostrich is the dash bird in the world. It is the biggest bird. The Amazon forest is the dash rainforest in the world. It is the largest forest. Then we have the Indian Ocean is the dash ocean in the world. It is the warmest ocean in the world. Now, the Lake Baikal is the dash lake on the earth. It is the deepest. The shark is the dash fish in the ocean. It is the most dangerous. We can mention the most dangerous fish in the world. Fill in the blanks with the suitable degrees of the given adjectives. So, the hummingbird is the dash bird of the world. It is the smallest. The tiger is dash than a panther. Now we are supposed to use the suitable degree. So the tiger is dash, is stronger. We have to put comparison here. The fox is the dash animal in the forest, is the most cunning. Now, the snailfish is the dash fish of the ocean, is the fastest. The peacock is the dash bird of India, is the most colorful bird of India. Now you have to complete this table by yourself as a practice exercise. Now let's move ahead and see the word par questions, and it is going to be crazy to practice this exercise by yourself. Now, next up we have the competency-based assessment. Herein, you are going to practice some writing skills, crossword, and followed by some speaking skills and value corner questions. So this was our chapter on Chilika Lake, a paradise, two birds. So now we know that our geography is vast and how India is a very proud country and how it has so many resources. So this is all for today, and I hope to see you super soon in the coming up sessions with more new and interesting topics. Till then, keep studying, keep practicing. Bye bye.